How you guys doing out there? Are you ready to celebrate? Make some noise! Let's hit it! Noise! What's up, everybody? Welcome to DreamWorks Destination. My name is Chris, and I'm going to be your host as we hang out with King Julien, Branch, and Puss and Puss. Now is the time, guys, to come on down and take some photos with our friends. Take some photos, take some videos. Come on and dance with them. Do whatever you like. This is a dance party meet and greet, so we're all about having fun. That one more time, but it only gets better. We have more dances to show you, and we are going to dance harder and harder each time.